Good morning, student. Welcome to our online classes. Today I am going to start your exercise 7.2 with question number 7. So all of you having book with you. So go through the book for seeing the question. The question 7 is saying that in a squared sheet draw two triangles of equal areas such that first point the triangles are congruent, second the triangles are not congruent. What can you say about their parameters? मतलब क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है हमें कि हमें एक स्क्वायर पेपर में दो ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करना है जिनकी एरिया इक्वल्स है, जिनकी एरिया कैसे इक्वल्स है। अगर उनकी एरिया इक्वल्स है तो फर्स्ट चीज़ हमें ये बताना है कि वो क्या कॉन्ग्रेंट है, और अगर वो कॉन्ग्रेंट है तो क्या उनके पैरामीटर सेम है। ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हुआ। फिर इसका सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि एरिया इक्वल है पर ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट नहीं है तो उनके पैरामीटर पे क्या इफ़ेक्ट होगा ये बताना है। सो हियर आई हैव अ सॉल्यूशन दिस वीडियो। हियर I have made two triangles ABC and triangle DEF, whose all sides are equal here. You can see that I have given AB single sign and DE also marked as a single sign. Okay, then BC with double sign and EF with double line. Okay, then here AC with triple line and DF again triple lines. So by their sign we can identify that whose side of a triangle ABC is equal to the which side of a triangle DEF. So here we have written that AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF. Okay, then if they are equal, so we are then what we have to do? We have to do that whether their parameters are equal or not, that we have to show. So for this we are going to add their side. Okay, we are going to add their side. So add AB plus BC plus AC equal to DE plus EF plus DF. So here you can see that when sides are equal, so their sum also equal, their sum is also equal. So okay, if sides are equal, their sum are also equal. That's why we can say that the parameter of triangle ABC is equal to the parameter of triangle DEF. Okay, now second of the same question. The second question is saying that the area of two triangles are equal but they are not congruent. They are not congruent. It means their sides and angles are not equal to each other. Okay, so here I have made two triangles ABC and triangles PQR. So here I have mentioned that the sides of a triangle ABC is not equal to the side of a triangle PQR. See here I have written that AB not equal to PQ, BC not equal to QR and AC not equal to PR. If sides are not equal, it means the triangles are not congruent. Okay, so this we have proved that triangles are not congruent. But when we are adding, because we have to answer what will be the effect on its parameter. So for getting a parameter, what we will do? We are going to add the sides, because the formula of parameter is that sum of all sides. So here we are adding the side of a triangle ABC. So AB plus BC plus AC. Here we are adding PQ plus PR plus QR. When sides are not equal, so their sum is not equal. Therefore, we can say that the parameter of triangle ABC, parameter of triangle ABC, not equal to the parameter of triangle PQR. Why? Because when sides are not equal, so their sum is also not equal. Understood, beta? Okay. Now question number 8. So in question number 8, question is saying draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Here question is saying that we have to draw two triangles. In that triangle, the 5 parts out of 6 parts of a triangle, 5 parts are equal, but still your triangle are not congruent. then we have to give reason why they are not equal. So here, first of all, make the diagram. So here I have made diagram. I have made triangle PQR and triangle STU. Okay, then here I have marked with a sign. Okay, similar sign. So in solution, what we are going to do? We have triangle PQR and TSU. Here PQ, this PQ is equal to TU. This PQ is equal to TU. Okay, then PR. PR is equal to ST. Second part. Then angle Q. Angle Q is equal to angle S. Angle S. And angle P is equal to angle T. Okay. And your angle R is equal to angle U. Okay. But here you can see that here the triangle is not following any criteria of a congruence rule. What are the congruence criteria? Triple S, if all sides are equal. ASA, if two angle and their included side are equal. SAS, it means side, angle side, two sides and their included angles. Then RHS. So here this triangle, these two triangles are not following any of the congruence criteria. Therefore, our two congruents, triangle PQR and triangle STU, are not equal, though their 5 elements are equal. Okay. Now, question number 9. In question number 9, the question is saying that if triangle ABC and triangle PQR to be congruent, name one additional pair of a corresponding parts. What criteria did you use? See here. Here I have made a diagram. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here I have marked angle B with a 90 degree and angle Q again with a 90 degree. And one angle C and R is also equal. So either we can go with a, we have to say that if we want to congruent these two triangles, so what criteria should we use and which additional pair we are going to make a same. So here you can see that angle B and angle C, they are forming on a same line. Okay, and here angle Q and angle R, again they are forming on a same line. Here angle B and angle Q are same, and angle C and angle R are same. If we are going to make same BC and QR, the side on which that two equal angles are forming, if we are going to make these sides are equal, so that we can get A as A rule, right? How? This is angle, this is your side, this is angle. So ASA, by using ASA criteria, we can say that our two triangles are congruent. So we have to write the additional pair. Which additional pair we will take to make these two triangles are congruent? So we are going to write BC equal to PQ. Over. Now you can find your criteria rule. Angle, side, angle. Okay. Then therefore triangle BCA is congruent to triangle QRP by AS